Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, there's a lot of debate on the speed of Windows 11. That is one of the things we talk about regularly. Microsoft and some viewers will tell you, well, it feels speedier, faster than Windows 10. In my case, I would say I don't see a difference, which is where I'm going to be. I'm not going to say it's faster, but I will not say it's slower. I clearly don't see a difference. But PC World has made tests, and they've decided to test all sorts of things, from performance in video editing, in Photoshop, with Office, with gaming, with encoding video, and so on. And of course, using the same exact setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 22H2. And they gave a score of the performance and CPU performance and overall performance. What does come out of this? Basically, if you take on every test they've done, some are faster, some are slower, some are equal. But if you take every single test, and they did a lot of testing, overall, you can't really say it's faster. But it's not necessarily slower either. So here you see that Windows 11 is in orange and Windows 10 is in green. So in some tests, like here, there's a Nero score for CPU performance. It's faster. The CPU score, AI tagging, and the AVC decode and encode, audio video decode and encoding. You could see that this tells you, well, that seems faster. There's, of course, the other scores that are here in Chrome performance. How does it work with Google Chrome 107, which is something people use all the time? A little bit faster in some things. WebExpert 4 gives it a slight advance. Jetstream 2, Speedometer 2.1, yet MotionMark 1.2 gives it less performance. You take these numbers, and it's like, clearly you can't really say that one is faster than the other. It seems to be a little bit like what I think, pretty much the same. So here, of course, gaming performance, and they used a GeForce RTX 3090. And on a Core i9 13900K, so it's pretty recent hardware. So here they give you Shadows of the Tomb Raider, Metro Exodus, and so on. And these games, you see that the performance, extremely close, most of the time almost at par, and rarely better. So you can once again see that this isn't really a big advantage. You're not going to Windows 11 because it's better and faster and so on. You're probably going to Windows 11 for other reasons. Either you're an enthusiast, you want to be there, or simply put that it's, you've got it with a new PC. But you also got to take these numbers with, I'd say with, caution, because system performance is different from machine to machine. I'm sure that some hardware works better with Windows 11 than others, but overall, there's not much of a difference. So if you're thinking of going to Windows 11 because it might be faster, seems to be pretty much the same performance, which is pretty much what I see and what I think. Performance is pretty much equal on Windows 11 with Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.